Yeah, I saw that. That's pretty cool how you got all that. Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. So in the air, some cool stuff going on under the BRZ. So TS model gets you front and rear Brembo brakes, pretty sick, right? You've got these factory hooks, I guess is what you call it, for the track there and there. So kind of neat. The first time I was under here, the first time I lifted it up and I saw that, I was like, this is pretty wild. A lot of aero all under the car. Everything is very flat, very streamlined. So something a little different than I think the Gen 1s had. I think it was all open and kind of basic, but this is a lot more streamlined and makes it just a little bit more aerodynamic going fast. But this is what we're going to be changing, is this factory exhaust that doesn't look good and it certainly doesn't sound like anything, to something way better. Corsa. A little bit different, a little bit easier probably to work on. Look how everything is exposed. This is going to be a treat to work on. So it's got a Torsen limited slip in the back here, so pretty cool. It's got a shifter that's directly mounted to the top of the transmission, so it gives you very crisp engagement, so you know that you're in gear. All right, let's rip the exhaust off of this and make it sound way better. I did a bunch of research on different exhaust systems. Now I put Corsa on pretty much everything you guys have ever seen on the channel, because I love the brand, I love their staff, I love everything about them, but mostly the quality, the craftsmanship, the sound, the performance. You really cannot beat Corsa. And if you guys are watching and you want to save some money on something like this, use promo code Xander13 at Corsa Performance, save you some money. From all the research I did, and I watched some videos, some very long videos comparing a ton of different brands, and the top like 3, Corsa was right there. It actually added power to the car and torque, which is pretty cool. And I think it sounded the best because it's not overly crazy loud, but it's enough, and it's a deeper tone. So hopefully that will be true to this car when we put it on, is that we will enjoy the exhaust note. But as far as performance, these guys are at the top, so go check them out. All the videos I've seen on the Corsa on these, they sound like A1. They sound really nice. Yeah. Black tips. So we got some black tips, of course, gonna look good on the blue. Got the muffler, and then the midsection here, beautiful welds. Got a resonator, so it's gonna kill all that drone and everything we're gonna get at like highway speeds. And then the muffler itself, definitely probably gonna be lighter than the factory system too. So all the research I've done, this will actually add some power and torque. Let's go. Looking good, symmetrical in the rear valance. Gotta get the plastic off, but I mean, this all fits beautifully. So very good job, Corsa. I mean, the bends, the craftsmanship, the quality, all their stainless steel. I mean, they give you all new hardware, new gasket to go in between here. The rest of it slips together, and I mean, it's just wonderful. So this whole system also installs in like no time. I mean, one of the easiest that I've ever done. I mean, it's a small car, but this is just really, really simple. But before we go on a drive, we obviously need to hear how it sounds. So, is it going to sound deep? Is it going to sound good? Is it going to sound something that I don't like? I don't know. It's not going to sound like a V8, but you know, we need to embrace the fact that this is not that, and hopefully get the cleanest noise out of this. But again, we are adding horsepower and torque, so that is something highly to consider. So may not be the loudest system out there, but again, we want something better than stock, something that adds power, number one, and then a nice pleasant note. So let's fire it up. All right, let's start. I kind of like it.
It sounds.
I like that actually. I didn't want it to be right. Yeah, too.
It's not.
Yeah, no rasp, no ricey, whatever. It's gonna sound different, like actually driving.
No, yeah.
Just idle revs are
It's quiet on idle too.
higher pitched. Yep. Nice exhaust tips. Looks good. Sounds good. Very good job, Corsa. Love it. All right, let's get on the road, take it for a drive, and then get our final thoughts. But we got to get rid of that fake engine noise. That's going to go bye-bye. So let's do that. All right, they say it's better to drive a slow car fast, or it's more fun to drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow. So this is anyway, yeah, this is a blast. The exhaust is not over the top loud, which is a huge win. It's just sporty. This is the way that it should have come from the factory. Driven in '86 with the GR Performance exhaust. This is definitely louder, but let's find a back road. Let's see if we can stretch our legs a little bit and hear the difference. And maybe even feel something. I don't know. This is supposed to add power. I don't know if it's anything the butt dyno is going to be able to tell us, but we shall see. I adjusted the clutch a little bit more because you can fine tune them. It's pretty nice. I deleted or unplugged the fake engine noise, and already so much better. We should be good to send a little bit of this. All right, let's take this right turn. And we're going to stab the gas a little bit. There's a popo right there. Not over the top loud. That's perfect. It's what I wanted. If this is your daily, then maybe you don't want obnoxious all the time. This is definitely going to be for you. That sounds fantastic. Deleting the fake engine noise and adding the Corsa, that is magic. And these little things scoot. They are not slouches. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. It's also good too because if you road course, and for example, the Corvette Museum track has a decibel limit, this is definitely not going to break that. So you can have more sound and still be able to enjoy your car on the track. So I think this is a win-win, and definitely drop some weight over the stock unit. We picked up some sound. I think this is a home run. It's kind of a deeper noise than some of the others that I've heard in person and online. So I'm really enjoying that. It's not a V8. We can't get it to sound like a V8, but we got to embrace this little 2.4, make it sound as best we can. I think we have nailed that. Shout out to Corsa again. If you want to save some money on one of these kits, go check them out and use, love it. This is brilliant. Use the promo code, the discount code Xander13 at checkout, save you some money. This is fantastic. I freaking like this. If you're looking for an exhaust, I would take a hard look at the Corsa for your BRZ or 86. See you guys. That's it. I'll see you guys next time, next video. Get ready for more mods, as always. See you later. Bye.